Hello and welcome to the brilliant new Business Buzz app. My name's Jill, I'm the host of Tame Buzz, and I'm going to talk you through the registration process and a little bit more about the app. Now, this is a progressive web app, which means that you can use it on your laptop or desktop and also on your phone or mobile device. Now, to register, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can sign in using your LinkedIn or Facebook sign on. That way, you won't need to remember any passwords, and it's probably quite easy to do. And the information will be pulled through from your profiles. So this is what it looks like. If you click on this button, you'll go through to the Facebook login. You just need to complete your normal login details for Facebook, or alternatively, you do this for the LinkedIn. If you click on the LinkedIn button, it will take you through, you can log in, and then it will ask you if the business app has allowed access to your name, your photo, and your email address. If you click allow, that information will be pulled through to your profile, and that's how you register. Alternatively, you can complete the form just by filling out your name, surname, your email address, mobile phone number, and creating and confirming a password. There we go. And once you click through and register, you'll access the superb app. If you stay tuned, check out the other videos that we were doing, and I'll show you what to do next.